session, and then we will move forward. Okay. So guys, in Sunday's session, we completed our part number 4 and part number 5, right? So in part number 4, we focus on the text file operations. Part number 2, we begin by learning how to open and read a file, read a text file using the read mode, R mode. We learned about appending the data, opening the file, reading all lines, closing the file, and inserting the new line at the desired index, writing the modified content back to the file, reopening the file to verify the changes. We read the specific line also with the help of read lines function. We deleted a line by index. And at last, we covered the R plus mode also, which allows both reading and writing operations in the same file. So that was for our part number 4. In part number 5, we learned about Python file operations in CSV. We shifted our focus to the CSV then, which are what? Comma separated value files, and then moved on to the practical implementations. We learned how to read data from the CSV file using the CSV module, how to write the data to the CSV files, how to append new data to an existing CSV file, adding new rows, deleting specific rows, and throughout the sessions, we explored these concepts with multiple examples to ensure clarity and confidence. So guys, these were our part number 4 and part number 5, which we learned in our Sunday session. Now, you guys tell me, wherever you guys are facing doubts, I will clear them out first and then we will move forward. So guys, please let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if I'm right, so first for the CSV, we have to read the file. First we have to read.
First of all, we have, just give me a second, Sudha. First of all, we have to import CSV, then only you will be able to use.
Okay. First import CSV, then we have to read it, then we have to open it, and then we have to write it, and then again we have to read it, and we have to close the file and then print it.
Okay, let me just give you a simple scenario. Okay, first of all, you are importing it. Import of CSV done. So now what does that mean? You can work with the CSV files. Okay. After that, first of all, you will open the file with what? R mode, because you're reading it, right? And in R mode, you can only read. After that, whatever you want to do, you want to delete, you want to write, that whatever you want to do at any specific index, you will do that. Operation done. After that, because you use read lines and it is in the form of what? List. You have to write it again with the help of write lines. So that is going to be a third step. After that, it will get closed and then you're going to read it again and print the content. Okay, Sudha? Is it clear now? Sudha? I guess she is having some network issues.
Yes, ma'am. I definitely understood right now.
Understood. Okay, great.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Subhradeep.
Yeah. So in the homework question, there was a question where we had to use a file named userActivity.txt.
Okay.
So in that question, there is a part, right? So there are a few consecutive questions which are based on these file userActivity.txt. So the last part where we have to read a specific line from the file. So I wrote the code, but it is not printing the specific line in the end. It is running, but it is not printing the code.
Okay. I will share the homework file with you, na? As always, I will share the homework file with you. Just look at the code first. If it will be understandable, okay. If not, just let me know. I will explain that again. Okay, Subhradeep?
Okay, got it.
Any other doubts, guys? And no problem, Zulekha. No problem. Don't worry about it. File and CSV functions.
Actually went up.
Sorry? Is it my network problem or you guys are having a network problem today?
Mine, ma'am. My problem is I have a network problem here.
Okay. So I just got a little confused in that. Okay, so Rishu, difference between, are you talking about text and CSV? Are you talking about text file and CSV file? Difference between that? Meenakshi, if you remember in the text file, if you will use R plus, you will have to use a seek function, no? If you want to write, it will get added at the beginning only, no? So that will be the issue. So that is why use R mode and then use W mode. Ankita, just give me a second, Harishu. Ankita said, and dictionary is not the part of this week. Can you please put that in the WhatsApp so that we can help you out there? Yes, thank you so much, Ankita. One by one, guys, I'm taking the doubts. For Rishu is asking me the doubt on read and write functions of both text and CSV. Both text. So read and write function works the same. Works the same in text and CSV, Rishu, just the names are different. See, if you will see in text file, we are just having the lines, no? So we are having write lines, we are having read lines. But in CSV files, you can just remember it by the rows and columns, because in CSV files we are having the table, no, rows and columns. So it is having like write rows and read rows. Okay, Rishu? Yes. And now Spanden's doubt is, can you re-explain how to append a CSV? How to append? Just the same way you were doing in the txt file. So I have just took the row, whatever I want to append. Then with the help of I'm opening the file, because with the help of what is going to happen, I do not have to write down a code for the closing one. It will automatically happen, right? So I'm just opening it with the help of R mode first. I'm reading it and converting it into a list. All the lines, one by one, right? I'm inserting wherever I want to insert with the help of insert function. And then I'm opening it again with the help of W mode, writing all the things inside that, and then opening it again in the R mode and just printing the content one by one. Okay, Spandin?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Great. Great. Ankita, do you remember multi-line function, multi-line comment? Sorry, Ankita, do you remember multi-line comment? What we use for the multi-line comment? We use triple quotes, right? So inside a function, if I want to do that, I'm going to do the same. Inside the function, it's like a comment only, but inside the function, same thing. With the help of triple quotes only you have to do. Okay, Ankita, that is known as function doctrine. Sorry, there is no use. You can use a function doctrine when you want to just write down a description inside a function. Okay? Yes. Sometimes that can be a compiler issue also, Saraswat. Just give me a moment, guys. I'm sharing the homework file also. First, let me just make sure everyone's doubts are clear. Okay, any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No doubts? Sure, guys? Should I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me a second. Let me just share you guys the solution for your homework. Okay, there is a solution. Just check the solution once, Aswat. Just check the solution once. Yeah, I will send it on WhatsApp as well. So this is a solution file. Just click on it. You guys will get redirected over here in the solution notebook. Here is the solutions, guys. Give me a second. Yeah, this is the only one I gave you guys. Give me a second. I'm sending you. Okay. Did you all receive the link for the homework? Did you all receive the link for the homework? Okay, great. So guys, please go through this homework file, take your time, and let me know if there still be any doubt in your homework questions. Okay, I will explain them. Yeah, I'm sending on WhatsApp as well. Give me a moment. This is the group, no? Yeah, guys, I have sent. Okay, everyone. So I will be on mute now. I will be on mute now. You guys go through the homework questions thoroughly and let me know when you guys will be done. If there will be any doubts, I will solve that out. Okay?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, I understood the code you have sent, but I still don't understand where I went from.
Sorry, your voice
Can I
was
send you
breaking in
the?
between.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Tell me.
So I have gone through the code I was asking you about, but I don't understand where I went wrong. Can I send you the photo so that you can check it out?
You can send me the photo also, and you also do one thing. Just copy my code, paste in your cell. Just be that cell also where you have done. Copy the code in another cell. My code, copy in another cell and run it. You will be able to see where you have done the mistake. You just do a quick comparison in both the codes also. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. So, sir, can you please tell me the question number, problem statement 5? No? Give me a sec. Problem. In this example, we will create a log file to store the user activity. Create a file named useractivity.txt, log user activities such as login, logout, and actions performed in the system. Now, expected output, the log file should contain the records of the user activities. Okay. First of all, I'm opening a file with the help of W because I want to write now. Because I want to write. So I am just opening it with the help of W. After that, we are just writing all the things. After writing, I have to close the file as well. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. One by one, we will do. One by one, I'm taking all the doubts. Just be a little patient, please. I have closed the file. After that, what I have done. I'm reading. Content is equals to file read dot read. Then I'm just printing the content and then I'm closing the file again. And it is happening. It is happening. So, Swiss, I'm seeing you have also done the same code only. You have also done the same code only. Just do one thing, restart your session, or you can do one thing as well. Just create one more Google Colab file, okay? And there put the whole code again. You will get the answer. Sometimes it can be a compiler issue as well. Okay, Saswat? Don't worry about that.
Hello, am I
Code is
audible?
correct. Yes.
So yes, I was thinking of that, that I would copy the same code and open another Google Colab file and paste that stuff and again rerun it.
Yes.
I was thinking of the same stuff.
Yes, sometimes it can happen because we are working on the files, no? So sometimes
Yeah.
compiler error can also happen. Don't worry about it. Just
Yes,
try
absolutely.
this method. Yes.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Ma'am,
And now,
I have sent the photo. Can you please check it out?
just give me a second, huh? Subhadeep, I'm checking.
Yes, sir.
Subhadeep, it is not clear. Baba. Ek second. Just give me a second, huh? 100%. Now it is. With open. Open. Give me a sec. Open with W, write the content. Step 5. Can you please tell me the question number again, Subhadeep?
Just a second, ma'am. It is problem number 7.
Problem number 7, no?
Yeah, the last part of my code.
Problem number 7.
I have, I have
Step
also
1.
left comments. Yeah.
Step 1 is done. So, Pradeep, step 1 is done.
Yeah. Step 1 is done, but it is not printing. It is running, but it is not printing the line. That's
Okay. Read the specific line by index. First of all, with open, just check the indentation as well, okay? Sometimes with the help of with indentation also you can get the error. Only step number 4 we have to check right now, na? So with the help of open, what I have to do over here, I just have to read a specific line and print it. That only I have to do in question number 7, no? So I will just read the specific line. So first of all, I have to just open it with the help of R. Just use read lines because there are multiple lines. So I have to read all of them. So read lines function. Then reading the second line at the index. So second line 0, 1 because positive indexing. So this will be at the index number 1. So it will get printed. Just try this much code. You are writing too much code over here now. Just try it in a single cell and you will get the answer, Supradeep. Okay?
Ma'am, I tried, but it is not working as well.
It is not working as well. Just do the same thing as this. Create one more Google Colab notebook and do in that. Okay?
Sure.
And make sure user activity.txt is having something inside it. Just put the right lines also first, then only try it. Okay? Otherwise you will get empty.
I've done.
Okay.
I've done it.
Then okay. After that, Soumya, don't worry about it. Take your time, go through the recordings again, and your WhatsApp group is open 24/7. Anytime you will be having any issues, just put over there. Zahida will help you, I will help you over there. Okay? Yes. Last 3 questions. 8, 9, 10, no? Okay. Just give me a moment, huh? 12, 11, 10. You're talking about 10, 11, and 12 question only, no? Ankita? So that I'm going to explain them. Don't worry, okay? Okay. So in the 10th question, what you have to do, you have to append a new user to the CSV problem statement. Append a new user, data, name, age, and email for the existing users.csv. So first of all, I have to take the import CSV. Then I have to take a step 1, append a file. So how will I append a file? With the help of mode A. Mode A is what? Append mode. And I have to put the new line also, no? I have to append new line. What I have to do, append a new user to the CSV file problem statement, append a new user's data to the existing users.csv and display the updated content. Don't have to do anything. Users.csv file is already created, right? In the previous question, it is already created. Now, what I have to do, I have to append it with the new thing. And now I have to append it. So what I have to add, I have to add this last line in my CSV file. So appending at the end. So A mode and new line Y, I have already told you guys in the last session so that overlapping and all will not happen, right? So because it is a CSV I am using, so that will be CSV.writer. CSV.writer, right? And my file name is file append. What I have to write? I just have to write one row. So write row I will use. What row? This row in the form of a list. Writing done, just open it with the help of R and print the content. Clear with this question, Ankita? Clear with this, Ankita? Great. Now, next what you have to do, now you have to delete a row by index. Delete a user by index. Second user, Jane Smith. Write the updated content. First of all, what you have to do, read it, put it into the list with the help of pop, put that particular index which you want to pop out, write the rows again, then read it again and print the content. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 steps it will happen. First of all, read it, put it into the list. Step 2, remove with the help of pop. Step 3, write the updated content again with the help of writer and write rows. And step number 4, print it out again. Clear, Ankita? So in writing, you must have done a little mistake, I guess. Then that's not an issue. Your code is correct. No, you're not getting. If you're not getting error, then it is okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting that like 2 times of that has been added. That means I think I have run it twice.
Yeah,
I couldn't
that's
change
not
that
an issue. That's not an issue. For that, you have to remove all the outputs. You have to restart your session. Then you have to do it again. Don't worry. That has happened twice. That's not an issue. No error, no?
Yeah, no error. It comes,
No
no
error,
problem
na?
at all.
That's
No error, no
that's
error.
okay
Yeah,
then. That's okay then.
yeah.
It run twice. That happens with me also. Multiple times it happens in front of you guys also, no? That's not an issue if it ran twice by mistake.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ankita, because this is happening because you guys are very new to this. Seriously, when I was very very new, I used to I used to get the panic attack sometimes. Oh, this question, how will I do it? How will I do it? How I'm supposed to do it? That happens. That happens as a beginner. I get it. I get it totally, totally. I get it, guys. Don't worry about it. And also, I'm from the non-tech background as well. So that was very, very difficult for me as well. Don't worry. You guys will eventually make it work. Don't worry about it. Just practice harder because practice makes a man perfect. And let's
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Can you go up?
where
Yeah. So, what is the difference between reader and read lines, writer and write lines?
reader we use in CSV, read lines we use in text.
Okay,
Okay?
okay.
Yeah.
So, what if we open Excel? Can we open Excel here?
You want me to show the Excel file instead of CSV?
Yeah, right.
So
Can we
right
do
now that is
yeah,
not the part of the syllabus. I'm so sorry about
okay,
that. I will not be able to show. But if you want to do it, you just have to change I'm giving you the hint, okay? You just have to change the extensions.
okay, fine, I will
Okay?
do it. Yeah.
And with import CSV, you will not be able to do Excel. I'm telling you that. For that, there is different things. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
So when we run for Excel, we have to
You have
type
to change.
reader.
You have to change the extensions because
Yeah.
extension is a very important thing when it
Mm.
comes to the files.
So in Excel, whether it is CSV or Excel, we have to type reader, and when we are doing text, we have to write read lines.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't worry about it, Ramya. As a beginner, it happens. Multiple times it happens. Don't worry about it. And at the end, the problem number 12, read specific user data by index from the CSV file. Problem statement is read and display the information from the user.csv by using the index and with statement. That is very, very easy, na? Just import CSV, use R mode to read all the lines, just put it in the form of the list, and then get the third user 0, 1, 2, index number 2, and just print it. You will get your answer. Clear, Ankita? Clear with your doubts? Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone? I'm asking, please.
So ma'am, instead of file name that user.csv, so can you show example of file path? So how we need to put path?
I'm not taking a file from my desktop and all now. I'm creating the file on my own right now.
So if I have the file path, suppose one CSV file saved in the path, so only we need to copy the
So
path and paste
what
here.
you have to do, like, what happens? So just give me a moment. I will just run it from the beginning first. A new beginning file I will do. It has happened. Now if I will do user activity will come over here. Na? Here you will get these three icons. Copy path option, right? Instead of this, you can just put the path. Okay?
Okay.
That will be the same thing.
And
But
these
name is
was
much easier. No, don't use the path. Name is much easier.
no. Suppose there's one file, CSV file saved in the folder, right? So
No,
how?
if it is in your folder also, when you are using Google Colab, you have to put it inside the Google Colab first. Then only you will be able to use. No path will work.
Okay, for that I need to have Python software.
Yes, that is a different thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
So will you help us to download Python software, or just we need to work on Google Colab?
In our syllabus, we are going to work on Google Colab only.
So are the free Python software available in the market?
Yes, it is available. If you want, you can go to python.org, Python's website. You can go, you can download the latest version. But I would suggest much better will be to Python notebook with the help of Anaconda. You can explore it. That is very, very easy to install.
Okay.
With the help of Anaconda. Okay?
Okay.
To Python notebook. That is offline version of Google Colab. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it works the same.
Last time we uploaded the CSV file now, ma'am. That is not there in my Collab notebook right now.
Because every time you have to because every time you are closing it now, because it is an online compiler, it will get removed.
Oh,
You have to open it again. You have to import it again. Then only you will be able to use it.
okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Fine.
Yes.
So I thought that I changed the computer, so I couldn't find it, but it is the
No.
reason. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's fine.
this is the
Okay, ma'am.
reason.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, fine.
.txt and .csv extensions. Okay, Meenakshi? Okay, guys. So everyone is done with the homework now?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Okay, let me just close it now. Just give me a moment. And now, guys, we will start with the part number 6, okay?
Hello. I'm sorry to interrupt.
No problem. Tell me.
It's again not working.
Can you please send me? Can you please send the screenshot in the WhatsApp group?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
Reader writer CSV, read line, write line, text file. Okay? Okay, Meenakshi? Reader writer is CSV, read line and write line is text. Okay, everyone. So here comes our part number 6, contact management system and the post quiz. So first of all, you guys, I will be giving you guys a contact management system. Okay? You guys have to create the code for that and then the post quiz for that. Okay? So let me just give you guys a problem statement first. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah. Okay, let me just explain this problem statement first. Okay, Saswat? Okay, guys, the problem statement is contact management system. So what is happening over here? You're tasked to design. You're tasked with designing a contact management system that allows users to add, delete, and view contacts. The system must store the contact data in a CSV, comma separated values file so that the contacts are persisted even after the program is closed. Now the contact detail includes the name of the person, the phone number of the person, and email, the email address of the person. Now each contact is assigned a unique ID. Each contact is assigned a unique ID that will help identify it. The system should allow the users to interact with it through a menu-driven interface. So, what you guys have to do in the functional requirements are going to be that you have to start the program. You have the program loads the contacts from the contacts.csv if it exists. If there are no contacts, it will load an empty list. You have to add a contact. The user selects the option to add a contact. The user is prompted to enter the name, phone number, and email of the contact. The contact is assigned an ID saved in memory and written to the CSV file. And the updated contact list is going to be displayed. Okay, so every time you have to display. So that is for adding a contact. Then deleting a contact. The user selects the option to delete a contact. The user is prompted to enter the ID of the contact to delete. If the ID exists, the contact is removed from the memory on the CSV file. Updated contact list is displayed. If the ID does not exist, you have to notify the user that the contact was not found. After that, you have to view the contacts. Whatever is present, you have to just view all of them. All the contacts should be displayed, including the IDs, name, phone numbers, and emails. And last, fourth option is going to be exit. You just have to exit the program. User selects the option exit. It will just exit. Your program will stop running. Okay? The program will end and any unsafe changes are saved to the CSV file. So, requirements clarification. ID generation. ID is assigned sequentially starting from 1 and is incremented each time a new contact is added. CSV file format. The CSV will have a header, rows with columns, ID, name, phone, and email. Each contact will be stored in a row with the corresponding information. Persistence. If the program is restarted, it should reload the contacts from the CSV file so no data is lost. And then error handling. The program should handle cases where a user tries to delete a contact with an ID that does not exist. And it should inform the user accordingly. So guys, this is the code which you guys have to create. So, are you all ready for it? Are you all ready for this?
So this is how it starts, right? Like first we have to write the person name, phone number, and email. This is what, like the same way what we did it in the class.
Sorry, can you please repeat it again? Your voice was cutting in between a little. Sudha? Sudha? Okay, I guess she is having a network issues. Okay, everyone is ready? Everyone is ready for this problem statement? Can I get a quick response, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have a network issues. I think whatever I talked, it did come there.
Yeah, that was a little, yeah. Okay, so let me do one thing.
Ma'am, the same way. No, ma'am.
Yeah,
1 minute, ma'am.
The
ID generation is the only problem, but rest of the things we have an idea.
ID
same thing, whatever you
generation, how it will be a problem? You can use a for loop, no?
Okay. Fine. We will do it, ma'am.
I have given you a hint. You
Yeah.
can do anything now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, guys, I have sent you all the link. Okay? Now, I'm giving you time till 10:10 p.m. I'm sending you on WhatsApp as well. I'm giving you guys time till 10:10 p.m. Okay? Do this code and then after that we will discuss.
Hello.
Yes, Saswat?
Fortunately, the code ran and I have to remove the is equals to sign in the file.write
What the is
function.
equals to? Sorry, I
Yes.
didn't check that. Oh,
So I
yeah.
have to remove all that is equals to sign in the existing collab and even in the new collab, and it
Yeah, yeah.
fortunately ran.
Because write is a function. I didn't saw that. Write is
Okay.
a function because write is a function, so parenthesis will be with that only. Is equals to will
Okay.
not be there.
Okay,
I
fine.
didn't saw that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And please, can you help me with the contact management system again, please? Because I was pretty much occupied with repairing that code stuff. I'm sorry to miss out here a little bit.
Okay. So basically, I'm giving you the idea what you have to do. You have to work on a CSV file. You there you have to get the name, phone, and email stored. Okay. You have to start with a program. You have to get the program load as the contact.csv. Okay. If it exists, if there are no contacts, you have to load an empty list. Then 4 things you have to perform. First thing should be adding a contact, where you are going to add a contact. There you have to assign an ID. You have to take a name of the person, phone number of the person, email of the person. Everything you have to take. And the contact is assigned an ID saved in memory, and it is going to get written into the CSV file. And at the end, the updated contact list should get displayed. After that, you have to delete a contact as well. For that, you have to ask the user about the ID. That particular ID contact only will get deleted. If that ID does not exist, the user should be notified that the contact was not found. After that, whatever you are left with, that all should get viewed with the help of viewed contacts. And at the end, once when the user will just get the exit option, no, just click on the exit option, it should get exited, and all the unsaved changes should get saved into the CSV file. So this is what you are going to do in your contact management system. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, Roger that.
Okay, great. I have already sent the link, and you guys have time till 10 p.m. After that, we will discuss it. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah. I will be on mute.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Just try it once, Ankita. Just try it out. Otherwise, I'm here, no? I will let you guys know. Don't worry about it, okay? You can join again, Zulekha. Don't worry about it. You can join again. Or do one thing. What you can do now, just be joined from there also. Join from your phone as well. Okay? Guys, are you done with the code? Guys, are you done with the code? It's totally hard. Don't worry. So let's discuss. Let's discuss in the class then. Should I discuss? Very good, Ankita. Try your best. Let's discuss. Okay. And guys, before I will discuss in the class today, let me just give you guys a heads up because the code is going to be a little lengthy. So I'm going to just copy paste it in front of you guys, and I will take a lot of time to explain. And I just want one help from you guys. Okay, I want one help from all of you, please. So I will explain you guys in parts. I will explain you guys the codes in parts. Okay. So what you guys have to do first, I will explain. I will ask you guys if it is clear or not. If there will be any doubts, please ask that at that moment only, so that I can move forward. Okay, like I am done with one part. You guys are saying it is done, and I'm moving to the next part. I will not go back to the first part again. Okay, because it will just disrupt the flow, and we have to go back again and again. We have to explain it in I have to explain it in the class again and again, and some of you might get confused very badly. Okay, so can you guys help me in that particular thing? When I will ask you guys, is it clear? Then only ask me the doubts. After that, we will move forward. We will not come back. Will that be okay? Is it a fair deal? Is it a fair deal? Tell me yes or no. Great. And you guys are going to learn about something new as well today. I know the code is a little lengthy, so don't get scared. Let me just make it a little big. Yeah. Okay, so guys, first of all, what we are doing, we are using import CSV and import OS. We're using import CSV. Import CSV, everyone knows. Import CSV, everyone knows about it, but import OS. What is import OS now? Now, if you guys remember, Nitesh, you were asking me, Mom, can we use the path? You were asking me, Mom, can we use the path?
Yeah, right.
So for that, OS I'm using in this code. I will show how to use the path. OS stands for operating system. OS stands for the operating system. Okay. Now, what we are gonna do over here, guys. Now, what I'm doing, I'm taking the CSV file. What is the name of my CSV file? Contacts.csv, as my requirement is saying for the code. Okay. After that, load contacts from CSV. But here, right now, it is nothing there in the contacts.csv file. So how will I get it? I am going to create a function for that.
I have a question.
Yes.
So we have written import CSV, import OS.
Yes.
So can we write in one line?
No.
Okay.
We are going to discuss right now. I just told you guys that OS is an operating system. I can use it for the past. You will see in the code where I'm using it. Okay, Ankita? And guys, one more thing. When I'm explaining, I will myself tell you guys to ask the doubts. Okay? When I'm explaining, please don't unmute. Let me complete first. Otherwise it will break the flow of mine. Okay? Let me complete the first part. Let me complete till this point. Then I will ask you guys the doubts. Then you guys can unmute. So, right now, load contacts from CSV. Def load contacts. This is the name of my function which I am creating. Contacts is equal to, what is this now? An empty dictionary. An empty dictionary. Why an empty dictionary? Because I have to give the names, no? I have to give the key values, the rows, ID, name, contact, email. That is why I am taking an empty dictionary, so it can be like a key value pair in it. After that, if OS dot path dot is file. That is the path of the file. Dot is file. To get the path of that particular CSV file is contacts.csv. If the path of the file is contacts.csv, if I'm working on that particular file, check if the file exists. Then, if the file exists, what is going to happen with open the CSV file? What is CSV file? Contacts.csv again. With the help of mode R as file. R is reading mode. Just read the file. Just read the file. Just read the file. And what I'm doing over here, next header, next reader. What does next reader mean? Skip header. Skip the header, row ID and name. Skip the header. Because CSV file, the first file is always a header file, which will be containing the row ID and everything. So we are not going to take it. We are not going to take it. We are just going to skip that part. And after that, what is going to happen for row in reader? For row in reader, because I want to give what? The name, the unique ID. Unique ID, right? So for that, the contact ID is equal to int row 0. Int row 0. Row 0 means the first part of the row. That is going to be the contact ID. That is going to be an integer. Contacts, contact ID, that will come from this point. Then name, that is going to be row at the index 1. Then index 2 will be phone. Index 3 will be email. Just like that, it will become 1, name Alice, phone, this, and email, so on. At the end, you just have to return the contacts. You just have to return the contacts with the help of return statement. Is this part clear? Is this part clear? Now you guys ask the doubt if there is any. Guys, any doubts in this part?
Ma'am, skip the reader
Yes.
row ID name. That ID only I couldn't understand.
Give me a moment, no? Yeah. This from this point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Next reader is to skip the header part. I don't want, if I am going to take the 1, if I'm going to put it as 1, because it is going to start from there, no? It is going to start from there, right? So I don't want the headers to come to me. So that is why I'm doing next reader. So that is going to be, it is just going to skip that part. It is just going to skip the header part. It will not give me the column names. It will directly start with the thing which is inside my rows, which is inside my columns. Okay. After that, for row in reader, for loop, as I gave you, I gave you the hint, na? I gave you the hint. For contact ID, int, because it is going to be an integer. Row 0, it is going to be 1 when it is going to get run one time. After that, again and again, it will become. It will give the unique ID every time it is going to get run. That is why we are taking int row 0. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear now? This part is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please repeat this part? So for loop.
For loop is for row in reader. For row in reader, because every time I want a unique ID, because I want to add also, add also is going to happen. I want to delete also. Every time the contact will get added, it will be having a unique ID. That is why I'm using int row 0. Every time it will get run, it will get incremented. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, is it clear? Guys,
Yeah, ma'am.
Please be a little patient. One by one, I'm explaining each and every doubt. Please be a little patient. Import OS, I am explaining it again. Import OS means operating system. I'm using it os.path.is file. If you remember, the first requirement for this particular code is what? First requirement is what? If there is nothing, please enter the empty list. Please show the empty list, that the list is empty. The contact list is empty. So how will I get to know? With the help of os.path.is file. With the help of this, I will get to know if it will check if it is having something or not, if the file is existing, if the file is even existing or not. The file exists, but it is empty. I have to fill it. I have to fill it. For that purpose, OS is used. I am using OS. Okay, Meenakshi. Okay, Saswat. Yes. 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 Okay, Saswat.
Ma'am, instead of putting the ID separately, why can't we put the append, all the things together? That means contacts.append, ID first we will put that name, phone, email, everything to be there on a list.
Sorry, I didn't got you.
Ma'am, so for example, you are putting the ID there separately, right? So for row in a reader, that means colon,
ID
contacts.
I got your point, Sudha. I'm so
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt. Every time I need a unique ID actually. I need a unique ID. And
Okay.
to that unique ID, I have to assign it. So that is why I'm not using append.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
but I
That is
started
why
writing.
I'm using it with the help of indexes. If you will see. I'm using it with the help of indexes.
Okay, ma'am. But I start writing with append, but I don't know whether, like, as you told that it is right, because we want the unique ID. If I'm going to put this, it is going to be the same ID, like whatever it is going to come for that, the ID is going to come.
Yes, that is also okay, because now, as I have already told you guys multiple times in the class, one code can be written in multiple ways.
Okay, ma'am.
So that
Okay.
depends upon you how you are going to handle it.
Okay, ma'am. Right.
ID is 0, see? ID is at the index 0. It will start from 1. INT, integer. Okay, so okay, Zulekha? Yes. Now, guys, should I move to the second part now?
Ma'am, contact
Yes, ma'am.
ID, contact ID.
One by
integer.
one, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
So contact ID is equal to integer row. It will start from 0 or 1.
It will start from 1. You will see in the output also. Don't worry. I will show you guys. Just tell me if this part of the code is clear or not. This part of the code is clear or not, guys? I want response from everyone, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can understand. Yeah.
Meenakshi, before we directly use upload CSV and now we create CSV file format. Yes, we are creating a CSV file format because it is a requirement in my question. No, according to the question requirement only I am going to do. Okay, Meenakshi? According to the question requirement only we have to perform the questions. No? Yes. Now I'm moving forward, guys. Okay. After that, I have to save the contacts to the CSV file. How? Just create one more save contacts function now, and inside that put the contacts. What is contacts? This thing, contact ID one. With the help of open, because you want to write the contacts, so you will use a W mode. You will use the W mode. Writer is equals to CSV dot writer in the file, because I'm taking it as file. Then writer dot write row. Only write row. Why? Because right now I'm just taking a header file, which is ID, name, phone, and email, so that I can get a whole, what we can say it as, I can get a just posture. I can just get a map that yes, this is how the things are going to get added in my CSV file. First ID will come, then name will come, then phone will come, and then email will come at the end. So first of all, I'm just adding the header. After that, with the help of for loop for contact ID and info in the contacts.items. Contact ID and info. Okay? Write row. Because one by one only we are adding, na? If you guys remember the Saturday session, guys, one by one only we were adding, no? When I was using add contacts with one, right? Only one contact I was able to add. I was not able to add 2 or 3 contacts at once. If I want to add the another contact, I have to again select add contact. Do you guys remember? Come on, tell me. Do you guys remember? So, for that, keeping that in mind, what I'm using write row only, not write rows. I'm using write row function. And I'm writing contact ID and info as name, phone, and mail. This is the save contact. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, why are we writing the right row? I was taking notes. I didn't hear.
Right row. Okay, so Pradeep, do you remember the Saturday session when I was showing the code?
Yeah, I remember.
There add contacts was at 1. So if I wanted to add contact, I was just pressing 1 and 1 contact only I was able to add. We were not able to add 2 or 3 contacts at once. If one contact I have added, if I want to add a contact again, I have to again press 1. Then only I will be able to add again. So only one row is getting added once, no? Yes.
Yeah, got it.
Yes.
One time, one contact at a time. That is why.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes. Save contacts is a function which I'm creating. Save contacts is a function which I'm creating, Ankita. Okay. And write row. Inside write row, I can just write one row inside my CSV file. Okay, Ankita? Yes. Contact ID and info. Contact ID is different and this information dictionary is different. I have to merge them both together in write row. That is why I'm using a loop like that. Okay, Saswat? Saswat? So what is happening? If you will see over here, first of all, contact ID is a different thing and this is a different thing. Okay. This is a dictionary. Now, I am having contact ID and I'm having an info. Info for this whole dictionary and contact ID for this thing. Okay. I'm using contacts.items. Items means?
It's a contact ID.
Items means I'm just asking about the items. Items is a function of the dictionary. Items means?
Items is a name, phone, email.
Key value pairs. Keys function, values function, items function. Items function is key value pairs. Right? So I'm taking the contact ID first. After that, I'm taking info name. Whatever info is present in my name key, that will come over here. That means the whole key value pair will come. That name, like this. The name is Elise. Key value pair will come. Phone is 80808. Email is like that. Like this, it will perform. Now, is it clear, Saswat? Yes, it links both. Clear, everyone? Clear with the load contacts and save contacts? Great. After that, guys, now we are having add a new contact. For that, I'm creating a function named as add contacts. Again, contacts only, right? Add contacts. Now, I want to add what? Name, phone, email, contact. Name, phone, email. Now, contact ID is equal to length of the contact plus 1. Length of the contact plus 1. One contact. First of all, I am having 0 contacts. So 0 plus 1, 1. After that, I will be having 1 contact. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 contacts, 2 plus 1, 3. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything will come. Okay. After that, contacts, contact ID. Again, name, phone. From there, I am getting all of this, right? Then just print the contact. That print contact, the name of that person is added. Just call the save contacts and the view contacts. Because you have to save the contacts also, and after that you have to show the contact also, no, that yes, this is the contact I have added. So both of them you have to do. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? And view contacts, I know some of you might be confused that, ma'am, view contacts, so we haven't even created yet, right? Don't worry, we are going to create it at the end. But in add contact, delete contact, every time I am going to use the view contacts. Are you guys clear with the add contacts part? Are you guys clear with the add contacts part?
Ma'am, contact ID is equal to length of contacts plus 1. What is that line? What does that line?
Right now, how many contacts we have? Without adding, how many contacts we have?
0, 0.
So, what is the length of the contacts then?
0.
0 plus
Oh,
1?
okay, so is it generating the ID?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Everyone clear with add a new contact? Guys, I'm asking something. At least please reply. Yes, Saswat. You're correct. Now, let me show you guys about the delete a contact. Now, delete contacts again. Get the ID from the user, what you want to delete. If the contact ID is in the contact, just delete it with the help of del function and just say contact deleted, save contacts, view contacts. Otherwise, contact not found. That is your delete a contact. Clear with this part, guys? Clear with this part, guys? Clear with this part, guys? Got it? After that, view the contacts. This, view contacts. Yes. You're correct, Saswat. So for that, what you have to do? If not the contacts, no contacts is available if there is no contacts. Otherwise, just print the contact list. How? Contact ID info contact.items. Just print ID, name, phone, and email just like that. So now I will ask you guys again, are you guys clear with adding, deleting, and viewing the contacts? Adding, deleting, and viewing the contacts. Are you guys clear? Everyone, are you guys clear? Great. Now at the end, what you have to do? Yes, Saswat. At the end, what you have to do? You have to interact with the user also. You have to give him or her the choices as well. For that, again, create def main. Get your load contacts. While it is true, just print contact management system Give the option 1 for add contact, 2 for delete contact, 3 for view contacts, and 4 for exit. As the choice, enter your choice, choose an option. If the choice is 1, call add contacts function. If choice is 2, call delete contacts. If choice is 3, view contacts. If choice is 4, bye-bye, goodbye, and break the loop. Else, invalid choice, try again. Start the program and just call the main function and you guys are done. Because under main function, now you have called all of the functions which you needed. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Yes, it's like helpline options. Yeah, you can say like that. Okay? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I run the code now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, you guys have to watch the recordings. That's correct. Okay, so what you guys want to do? 1, 2, 3, or 4? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Because inside the main function only I am taking this, na. I have to interact with user as well. That is why the main function is there.
Ma'am, first of all, the system itself, it doesn't have a list. How we will do that, huh?
Because I am adding it.
Yeah.
Adding it.
Yeah, no,
Enter
but
name.
we cannot choose the 2 or 3 because we don't have a library right now.
I will show you after that. Okay. First, because now I have chose the option. Now let me add. After that, I will run it again. I will show.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let me take your name only, Sudha.
Okay.
Anything I'm putting. Give me a second. No? Number. Okay. It got added. Then after that, 2 delete contact. ID is 1 working. 3. See. It will show no contacts available. Because I have deleted the only contact I had. It will only show me no contacts available. And at end, if I want to exit, I will get exited. This is how the code is working. Is everyone clear with the code? Okay, Soumya, no worries. Is everyone clear with the code?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Yes, 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 you're clear, Saswat. Yes. No contacts added. Yes. Option 2. Enter to delete. No contact found. 3. No contacts available. 4. Exit. Great. Great, everyone. Now, guys, should we move to the post quiz then? If you guys are clear, should we move to the post quiz?
Ma'am, we have to see the recordings and then only we have to come back
Yeah,
because it's a
recordings you
very
have
big,
to check.
very big code,
Recordings you
ma'am.
have.
Because this last part is very, very good. Like we can understand after the main function. Before that, like adding, viewing, that is a problem that we have to go through it one more time.
Yeah, that you guys have to do. At least 2 times you watch the recordings, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, guys, I'm sending you the post quiz link. Everyone got it? The post quiz link? Very good, Supradeep. Okay, guys, please complete your post quiz link now. Yes, definitely. Work on it, Ankita. Guys, so now I will be on mute. Please go. Please complete your post quiz. Let me know the marks. Okay. No problem, sir. Just go through the video recordings again. If there will be any doubt, just post in the WhatsApp group, okay? Rishu, don't worry about that. With practice, you will be able to do it. You will be able to come off this nightmare also. Don't worry about it. Very good, Spandon. Global and local variable. Global is outside the function. Local is inside the function. It is the only difference between them. Global is outside the function. Local variable we put inside the function. Global we can use anywhere. Local we cannot use anywhere else in other than the function. You can say like that. Very good, Minakshi. Very good, Zulekha. Saswat, what I'm saying is outside the function. Give me a moment. If I'm putting a is equal to 10, that is a global variable because it is not inside anything, no? But if I'm putting c, let's say def sum anything, but I'm putting something inside a function now. Now it will become a local variable. I cannot use it anywhere other than the function. But this a I can use anywhere, inside the function, outside the function. But this b I can use only inside the function. That is global variable and local variable. Just that. Okay?
Ma'am, only one question, ma'am. So if we want to use the reader rows, then we have to use a reader or read in parenthesis.
Reader or?
Ma'am, there is an option shows that for a function of reader rows.
Give me a second.
Read rows.
What is the question
Read rows.
number?
1
What
minute,
is the
ma'am.
question number? It's like that, na? Your voice is cutting a little in between, na? So I will not be able to understand properly. Just let me know the question number. And guys, I'm sending you guys na, the feedback form as well because multiple of you are leaving the session now. Otherwise, you guys will not give the feedbacks. And that is important, as you guys have got to know, right? Everyone, please fill out the feedback forms.
Ma'am, 9th question.
Everyone, please fill out the feedback form first. And if there is nothing negative now, please put it as the excellent instead of good. That is my only request. Reader. Reader you will use. Reader. Okay?
But when we are using that in a code, read in a parenthesis, right? But we are not using the reader, right? Shall we use the reader there everywhere when we are going to read that?
That is CSV, no? In CSV, you will use reader.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry, Supradeep. Don't worry, Supradeep. It happens. As a beginner, it happens. And guys, at the end is your AI tool of the week. That is Po. That is Po. So you guys tell me, will you guys be able to explore it on your own or not? Will you guys be able to explore your AI tool of the week on your own or not, guys? Can I have a quick response about that? Good night, Nitish. Thank you so much. Guys, I didn't got the answer for the AI tool of the week. Can I get a quick answer, please? Thank you, Subhadeep. AI tool of the week you guys will be able to do? Oh, that would be great, Zulekha. Good night, Subhadeep. Good night, Zulekha. Everyone, please fill out the feedback forms. No, I'm sending it again. Great, great, great. Don't worry, Meenakshi, go through the video recording again and the code again. You will be able to crack it out. And any doubts, guys, don't wait for the Wednesday. Don't wait for Saturday and Sunday. Post it on the WhatsApp group. Any doubts, you guys will get the quick answers, no then? Okay? I will be stop sharing my screen. Good night. Take care. Please, guys, please fill out the feedback forms, please. Don't forget about the feedback form. Thank you so much, Ashwin, Navya, Saswat, Sudha. Okay, bye-bye, Sudha. Good night, Saswat. Sneha, Krishna. Guys, please fill out the feedback form. Vishu. Yeah, you guys have to practice, Navya. Practice makes a man perfect at the end, no? You have to practice. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Ishwarya. Okay, guys. So now I will be just ending the session, and we will meet again on the on Saturday session, 8 p.m. IST again. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye bye, guys.